While the world is focused on Belarus, people in the Republic of Bashkortostan in Russia are struggling to save their environmental heritage, the KUSHTAU mountain. It is an ancient mountain, 230 million years old, a remainder of a reef massif. Activists are working to stop the Bashkir soda company, known as BSK, and recognize KUSHTAU as a protected nature reserve. Russia has 22 republics, and Bashkortostan is one of them, located on the border of Europe and Asia. There were 4 unique mountains of chalkstone origin called Shihans. They are located 140 kilometers from Ufa, the capital of the republic. BSK has already razed one of the mountains to the ground and plans to do the same with this one. In early August, BSK deployed heavy machinery to the site, but faced the resistance of about 10,000 locals and activists. Residents set up a tent embassy, which was attacked by Soda's protection agency, the police, and the army. 81 activists were detained. On August 16th, the clash was stopped by the head of the republic.
Я даю слово, что на эту гору никто не зайдет, пока мы не найдем компромиссное решение. Никто не зайдет на гору!
After a week of demonstrations, BSK was forced to halt activities, but temporarily. For the local people, this mountain is holy. It is the source of myths, legends, and songs.